Hey everyone! A while ago, I made a video where I showed how to build an MCP server in Python. And now, I've been approached by a company that actually provides MCP servers. This video is sponsored by Storm MCP. They offer ready-to-use MCP servers. Just connect with your MCP client and you're good to go. So let me quickly show you how to use Storm MCP. It's super simple. First, I need to select an app from this list. There are different apps here for different domains, but since I'm a developer, I'll go with the GitHub MCP server. When I click on Connect, it asks for my GitHub API key. To get that, I'll simply generate a personal access token from GitHub. Just go to Settings, then Developer Settings, then select Personal Access Tokens. Now add a note here, set the expiration time, choose the scopes you need, and finally generate the token. Now, I'll copy that token, paste it here, and connect the app. Next, I'll head over to the Gateway section and create a new gateway. I'll give it a name, select the GitHub app, and hit Next. Here, I can see a list of functions. I can either select specific ones or just select all. For now, I'll select all and create the gateway. Now it's time to integrate this with an MCP client. I'm using Claude Desktop, but you can also integrate it with Cursor or Claude Code. I get 3 options here. If you're on Claude's paid plan, you can directly integrate using connectors. That's pretty simple too. But since I'm on the free plan, I'll choose the first option. I'll copy this config code and paste it inside my Claude Desktop config file. After saving the file and force restarting Claude, I can now see my GitHub gateway right here. Let's test it. I'll ask it what GitHub actions it can perform. Nice. It shows me the available actions. Let's try checking pending notifications. Okay, it's extracting. Great. It fetched those too. Now let's ask for issues and pull requests from a repo. Now, give it some time. Perfect. It returned these as well. This is pretty cool. In the same way, I can connect other apps based on my workflow and boost my productivity inside MCP clients. Also, don't forget to check the MCP registry, where you'll find over 2K community-built MCP servers you can try out. So go ahead, try integrating an app yourself, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. For now, I'll wrap this up here.